Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video we have learnt about how to declare variables in Python. In this video we will learn about the type function in Python. As we know, we don't provide data type in Python, but we can check the data type of variable with the help of type function. You can get the data type of a variable with the type function. Let's see in code. So currently I have these two variables, name which has the value John, and the another variable roll number which have the value 101. So what if I print, let's say print type. So you need to use the type function, you need to provide, and let's say you want type of name. Let's save this. So see, this is the output of this print. So you are able to get it as string, so it is of type string. What if I want to get the type of, let's say type of roll number? Let's save this, run. So it should be integer now. So see, the first one is string and the second one is integer. So that is the use of type function. You can get the type of data type that variable is using with this type function. So another topic we can cover in this video. See, till now we have assigned only one variable to one value. So how we can assign many values to multiple variable? So let's say you have these three variables x, y, z, and you provide value. So this orange value will be assigned to this x variable, banana will be assigned to this y variable, cherry will be assigned to this z variable. So let's see in code. So let's say I want to provide three variables x, comma y, comma z. So these are three variables, and let's say x have value apple, y will have value orange, and z will have value grape. And what I want to do, I want to print this. Print, let's say print first x, then print y, then print z. Save this, run it. So see, the first one what we have printed is x. So x has value apple, another one is y which has value orange, and another one is z which has grape. What if I provide only two variables and assign three values? Let's save this, run it. So see, here we are getting one error. It says too many values to unpack. So it means we have only two variables and we are trying to store three values in that case. So you need to remember the number of variables should be same to your number of data that you are providing. Another one we can cover is one value to multiple variables. Now consider a situation where you want to provide all three variables a single value. So let's see how we can do this. So let's remove this. Now I want to have the same value to all three variables. So let's say x equal to y equal to z. All this will have this value called grapes. Now what if I save it and run? So see, all of these three variables have the value grapes. So in another way we can do it, if we have x equal to grapes, and now if I say y is equal to x, so x have grapes, now x is equal to y, so y will also have grapes, and another variable z equal to y, so now y is also having grapes. Now y is assigned to z, so z will also get value grapes. Let's save this. So see, for all three print statement we are getting grapes value. So let me make some change here. What if I print x here, and let's say print y and z here. So this time I'm getting error to z because z is declared after the print. So I need to make, because Python executes one line at a time, so at this time there is no z available, so it's not able to recognize the z variable. So I need to first declare the z variable. And what if I don't declare z anything and print? So it is giving me error like unresolved reference, so it is not assigning any value. So let's say I will assign it to y. Let's save this and run. So see, I'm able to get these values. So in this way you can make use of many values to multiple variables or one value to multiple variables. Also we have learnt about the type function, which is used to get the data type. So that's it for this video. We will cover another topics in next video.